Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So before I go back inside the house because it's already so hot, I would like to share with you some of my vegetables that I'm trying to grow here right next to our big tree here. If you remember this tree, this is the tree where the squirrel was in here. So that's where I put some of my plants because we've been late for planting last spring. So I just thought maybe I could plant a few vegetable here. So here I have excuse my mess there. I have my tomato plant here. I forgot what kind of tomato this is, but I have a fruit there that is almost ripe, almost ready for harvest, and it got infested quite some time when I first plant this one. So this tomato has been in a turmoil, whatever. So the mosquito is trying to mess with me. So here I have a rosemary, and this is a Tuscan blue rosemary. So when I planted this one, this is just like a quarter as big as this one. So it gets bigger now since I planted it there. I think I planted this here March. So March, April, May, June, July, August. So it's 5 months already, or maybe just 4 months. I don't remember when I bought this one. And I have a propagation of my lemongrass, and I planted it here too. And here we go. This is, if you remember, this is the little teeny bit variegated cassava. And there we go. I have big ones already, and I think this is almost 2 foot tall. And I have another one here that I'm propagating, my Iris Regina. Yes, this is a keiki of my Iris Regina, and I planted it here, and it seems like it's growing because last time when I planted this one, I only have 3 leaves, and this one is a new one. So well, it's so hot, so maybe that's why these leaves are turning this, but I don't know really the cause of that. And there's the other one of that variegated cassava. And here, if you can see, I have my eggplant, and look how many fruit I got. I got 2 here. I hope you can see the other one. Yes, I got 2 here, and I have another one here, and I have here. There we go. And this one here is a little smaller, and yeah, she's trying to give me fruit, so many fruit this time. I think she rested for a couple of months since I planted this one. I mean, I've been harvesting of fruit from this little bitty plant, and I think she just said, "Hello mom, I need to rest for a quiet moment, so please wait." And now there we go. I have a bunch of fruit to harvest. And maybe you're asking why you only got 1 eggplant. Well, my husband don't eat eggplant, so what am I going to do with lots of eggplant if I am the only one who's gonna eat it, right? So there we go. I have a cherry tomato here. I have 3 cherry tomato, and this one I've been harvesting this quite some time now, and look, it still has a bunch of fruits. And I'm going to harvest a little later after my video. I mean, after taking video. And here you go, there's more. This is just so happy trying to give me fruits. See, I think I've harvested 5 times already from these 3 tomatoes. And look here, we have a storm last month, and it got broke here. So, but I didn't take, I did not remove it there, so it's still growing here. And look, I've got a fruit here. Oops, the sunshine is shining. And look, my regular cassava is growing. The insects keeps eating it, but look, he's trying to survive. And I have my bell pepper here. I found a fruit here. Ta-da! I thought it's not gonna give me a fruit, but a few weeks ago I find that, oh, they're trying to give me something. So I have few. And like I said, when the storm came, oh, it's so bright. It knocked it down. See here, everything are knocked down, except for this one, maybe because the tree is there trying to, you know what I mean. I can't find the words, but here we go. I have some bell pepper here, and I think I'm gonna harvest very, very soon. This one tomato here, let me go further. This one here, I planted it all together here, but only two that is growing so good. So that's my tomatoes and my bell pepper and everything there. So this is all for this video, guys. I just wanted to share with you my vegetable garden. It's not really a garden. I just wanted to get something, you know, so that's why I planted these few vegetables. But I hope next year my husband will not be so busy at work and we could have a time to catch up with our vegetable garden, the real vegetable garden. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.